Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about the 15 things you need to know about the new Windows 11. Before starting this video, please like this video, and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Microsoft's newest operating system, Windows 11, is now available for download. Windows 11 features a new user interface, a rebuilt Windows Store, and speed and multitasking enhancements, as announced by Panos Panay during a Microsoft event on June 24. Windows 11 will be available shortly for PCs, laptops, and tablets. However, you must first check if your device supports it. Before you do, however, here are the top 15 things you should know about Windows 11. Number 15. Redesigned for efficiency, creativity, and convenience. It's modern, fresh, tidy, and lovely. Everything was done with the purpose of putting you in control and bringing a sense of peace and ease, from the new Start button and taskbar to each sound, typeface, and icon. We put Start in the center to make it easier to find what you're looking for. Start makes use of the cloud and Microsoft 365 to display your recent files regardless of what platform or device you were viewing them on previously, including Android and iOS devices. Number 14. Providing the most immersive PC gaming experiences yet. If you're a gamer, Windows 11 is designed specifically for you. Gaming has always been central to the Windows experience. Hundreds of millions of people play games on Windows now, bringing joy and connection to their loved ones and friends. Windows 11 unleashes the full power of your system's hardware, allowing you to take use of some of the most cutting-edge gaming technology. Number 13. A quicker way to obtain the information you require. Widgets, a new tailored feed powered by AI, and best-in-class browser performance from Microsoft Edge, bring you closer to the news and information you care about faster in Windows 11. We need breaks even when we're at our most concentrated and creative, a time to check in with the outside world or reset our minds. We frequently check our phones these days to check the news, weather, or notifications. You may now see a similarly personalized experience from your PC. When you open your customized feed, it slides over your screen, like a sheet of glass, obstructing your work. Widgets also provide fresh real estate within Windows for producers and publishers to deliver customized content. Our goal is to build a thriving pipeline for both big brands and local creators that benefits both consumers and creators. Number 12. Creating a more open ecosystem that allows developers and innovators to explore new possibilities. According to Microsoft, they are working to open up the Microsoft Store even more, so that creators and developers can make more money. They are making it possible for developers and independent software vendors, ISVs, to bring their apps to Windows 11, regardless of whether they're built as a Win32, Progressive Web App, PWA, Universal Windows App, UWP, or any other app framework, allowing them to reach and engage with a wider audience. We're also announcing a gradual shift in our revenue sharing policy, allowing app developers to bring their own commerce to our store, and keep 100% of the income. Microsoft keeps nothing. App developers can continue to leverage our commerce with a competitive 85/15 revenue split. We believe that building a more open ecosystem benefits our consumers in the long run by providing them with secure, frictionless access to the apps, games, movies, shows, and web content they desire. Number 11. IT is faster, more secure, and more familiar. For IT professionals, Windows 11 is built on the same stable, compatible, and familiar Windows 10 foundation. You'll plan, prepare, and deploy Windows 11 in the same way you do now with Windows 10. Upgrading to Windows 11 will be similar to updating to Windows 10. As you integrate Windows 11 into your estate, the familiar management experiences you have today, such as Microsoft Endpoint Manager, Cloud Configuration, Windows Update for Business, and Autopilot, will support your future environment. According to Microsoft, they are dedicated to app compatibility, which is a major design principle of Windows 11, just as they were with Windows 10. With App Assure, a service that helps clients with 150 or more users fix any app difficulties they may have at no additional cost, Microsoft stand by their promise that your applications will work on Windows 11. Windows 11 is also safe by design, with new built-in security mechanisms that provide protection from the chip to the cloud, while allowing for increased productivity and new experiences. To protect data and access across devices, Windows 11 includes a zero-trust ready operating system. We've worked closely with our OEM and silicon partners to enhance security baselines in response to the changing threat landscape and the emerging hybrid work environment. Number 10. It has a fresh, sleeker interface. The interface of Windows 11 is the first feature you'll notice, with rounded corners, new animations, and updated icons. J.P. Gounder, a Forrester analyst, described it as a new, sleeker user interface that tries to make the user experience easier. The Windows 11 interface, which is half cosmetic refresh and part user experience makeover, will rise or fall on usability, he stated. Number 9. The Start menu has been revamped. The Start menu, like the search function and the taskbar, has been moved to the center of the screen in Windows 11. The goal of this adjustment, according to Panos Panay, Chief Product Officer for Windows, is to make it easier to rapidly identify what you need. Start uses the cloud and Microsoft 365 to display your recent files regardless of what platform or device you were reading them on previously, even if it was an Android or iOS device, he explained. Number 8. Remote work is in the spotlight. Following the year in which we were all thrown into the realm of remote and hybrid work, Windows 11 focuses on keeping people linked. Users will be able to text, chat, phone, or video call contacts across Windows, Android, and iOS using Microsoft Teams, which will be integrated immediately onto the taskbar. By integrating with Microsoft Teams, Windows 11 could improve distributed work by making it easy to contact individuals straight from the Start menu, Forrester's Gounder said. This invention comes at a perfect time for the COVID world, which has reasserted the PC's importance in the future of work and digital life. Number 7. The Microsoft Store is now open. One significant difference is that the Microsoft Store is now available to any form of app, allowing competitors to enter the fray. Disney+, Adobe Creative Cloud, Zoom, and Canva are among the big third-party apps that will be added to the store, according to the company. For the first time, Android apps will be available on Windows, with Microsoft promising more information in the coming months. In the Microsoft Store, app developers will also be able to use alternative payment systems, allowing them to keep 100% of their earnings and avoid Microsoft's 15% transaction fee. This is a substantial difference from the commissions paid by competitors Google and Apple, the latter of which has been criticized by major developers and regulators for its App Store practices. Number 6. There's a focus on multitasking. To aid multitasking, Microsoft has included snap layouts, which shift apps to certain portions of the screen in Windows 11. Snap groups may also remember where a set of apps were on your screen, so you can put them back in the same spot. Similar to a Mac, you can create and customize multiple desktops, such as one for business, one for education, and one for gaming. Number 5. There are also widgets. According to Panay, in Windows 11, Microsoft has repackaged its widgets feature with a new customized feed powered by AI, in addition to a slew of new app releases. Users will get a curated view of news, weather, and notifications as a result of this. Number 4. Gaming gets a boost. Microsoft is taking some of the features from its Xbox division and transferring them to Windows 11. This features the Auto HDR system, which enhances the lighting and colors of games automatically. With direct storage technology, Windows 11 will be able to load new games faster, and the Xbox app will be embedded into the operating system, allowing for easier access to Game Pass for PC. Number 3. It should be quicker. Apart from gaming, Windows 11 will be speedier and use less power than its predecessor. As a result, laptop batteries will last longer on Windows 11 devices, and the operating system will boot up faster. Number 2. For Windows 10 users, this is familiar territory. While there are numerous modifications, tweaks, and upgrades, Windows 11 is based on the same fundamental code as Windows 10, and Microsoft claims that customers will find the experience familiar. These user-friendly allusions to the past, on the other hand, are a double-edged sword, Gounder remarked. They're wonderful for experience continuity, but they make you wonder what the 11 actually stands for. Number 1. You may be able to get it for free. If you already have Windows 10, Microsoft has stated that upgrading to Windows 11 will be free. If your PC satisfies the next generation system's basic requirements, you'll be able to upgrade in the same manner you would a regular update. The specific release date has yet to be announced, but Microsoft has stated that it will be available before Christmas. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.